Join me as I dive deep into the stock market today and try to guess which stocks are going to soar based on expert insights. STSS stock has been on my radar lately, and I think it's essential to discuss its current state, especially with the market being as unpredictable as it is. In this video, we'll explore the challenges it's facing, analyze recent trends, and I'll share my expert insight on what might happen next. STSS stock has been experiencing a significant amount of volatility, and it's not hard to see why. The market is filled with uncertainty, and recent news events have only added to the confusion. Investors are trying to make sense of it all, but it's like trying to predict the weather. One day it's sunny, and the next, it's stormy. One of the main concerns is the impact of recent market fluctuations on STSS stock. We've seen some significant swings in its value, leaving many investors wondering what's behind the movement. Is it a reaction to industry trends, or is there something more at play? To make matters more complicated, there's been a slew of news stories that have affected STSS stock's performance. From changes in leadership to shifts in market demand, it's been a wild ride. As an investor, it's crucial to stay informed, but it's equally important to separate fact from fiction and not make impulsive decisions based on emotions. The current state of STSS stock is a perfect example of how quickly things can change in the market. Just when you think you have a handle on things, something new comes along and shifts the landscape. That's why it's essential to stay vigilant and adapt to changing circumstances. Analyzing recent trends, we can see that STSS stock has been on a bit of a roller coaster. Financial reports have been mixed, with some positives and some negatives. Expert opinions are also divided, with some seeing potential for growth and others predicting a decline. Some experts point to the company's strong fundamentals as a reason to be optimistic about STSS stock's future. They argue that the current dip is a buying opportunity, and that the stock will rebound in the long run. Others, however, are more cautious, citing concerns about market competition and the impact of global events. When it comes to recent trends, one thing is clear: STSS stock has been highly sensitive to market sentiment. Any significant shift in investor attitudes has had a direct impact on its value. This makes it challenging to predict what's next, but also creates opportunities for savvy investors. The expert opinions I've been following suggest that STSS stock's future is closely tied to the company's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions. If they can stay ahead of the curve, there's potential for significant growth. However, if they falter, the stock may struggle to recover. Based on my analysis, here's my main insight: I believe STSS stock has the potential to bounce back, but it's crucial to keep a close eye on market trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. The next few weeks will be critical in determining the stock's trajectory. The critical factors that could influence STSS stock's trajectory include the company's financial performance, industry trends, and global economic conditions. As an investor, it's essential to stay informed about these factors and adjust your strategy accordingly. In recap, we've discussed the current challenges facing STSS stock, analyzed recent trends and expert opinions, and shared my insight on what might happen next. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's essential to stay informed and adapt to changing market conditions. If you've got any thoughts on STSS stock, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below and let's get the conversation started. Also, be sure to check out my other video on the top stocks to watch in the current market, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stock market insights.